It's finally official. Vinay Phogat and Bajrang Punia, both of them met up with Rahul Gandhi, and those pictures were first tweeted out from the official Twitter handle of the Congress party. There has been a lot of speculation over the last couple of weeks and months. Will she, won't she, will he, won't he? But it certainly now seems that the stage is set for their inclusion, one, into a Congress party and also contesting the assembly elections. Now let's put it into context and why this factor becomes important. We also saw those pictures of Vinesh Phogat landing in the national capital and how Dipinder Hooda went through Indira Gandhi International Airport to receive her. He accompanied her, and when she was crying because of the kind of support that she was getting, you saw Dipinder Hooda at that point of time wiping her tears. But before that, Bhupinder Hooda had also gone on to say that if he had a Rajya Sabha ticket, he would give it to her. That, of course, had invited a lot of criticism from the BJP, asking this question: why don't you give up your own seat, or why don't Congress leaders give up their seat to accommodate her? It was at that point of time, I think, the first cue or indication was given that the Congress party was keen to get both of them on board. But why does this picture become significant in the run-up to the Haryana state elections? Well, first of all, one of the main fulcrums of the Congress's campaign against the BJP will be, one, harassment of women, and second, misgovernance. How women are not safe in a state which has propelled the campaign of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. We saw those pictures of protesters, of wrestlers protesting on the ground against Brij Bhushan Singh. The point which Congress has been raising is that why was the BJP or the central government not sympathetic to the cause of the wrestlers? Second, why was Brij Bhushan Singh's son given a ticket? Why is he still not arrested? One of the main faces of the wrestlers' protest was definitely Vinesh Phogat. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also spent a lot of time with her, went and took part in those protests at Jantar Mantar. It is very clear that as far as the Congress is concerned, this lack of concern, according to them, shown by the BJP both at the state and the central level, is going to be one of their main poll planks, to make the point that the BJP has scant regard as far as women are concerned and women's safety are concerned. Second is, while the Prime Minister picks up the phone and speaks to the Olympic champions or even those who don't win, he does not have time for the real wrestlers on the ground. In the run-up to the akhada of politics between the BJP and Congress party, the wrestlers issue is going to be one key issue. Certainly, Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia are going to be showcased at that face of the BJP by the Congress party, which will show what, according to them, is the insensitivity of the BJP Sarkar, both at the state and at the central level. That is going to be the hallmark. Of course, this has invited criticism from the BJP, where they are accusing the Congress party of doing politics over the cause, about the fact that how the state government has often reached out to the wrestlers and how the Prime Minister and the entire nation had actually taken up the fight for Vinesh Phogat. The Congress just doing politics. So all eyes now on whether they are going to attend the assembly and enter the assembly by winning elections, and what really is going to be the larger game plan of the Congress and the BJP's counter to it.